In my last video, I covered Avios basics, what they are, how they work, and actually what they're worth. In this follow-up, I'm going to show you how normal people actually build Avios balances, and I'll show you what I think are the 4 easiest ways to earn as a beginner. There are more, but as it's a beginner series of videos, we are going to keep it simple for now. And this is part 2 of 3 of an Avios beginner series videos. And if you missed the first one, where I go through the basics of Avios, you'll be able to click through to that video at the end of this one. Now, as a beginner to Avios, there are a couple of things that you need to know. You don't actually need to fly more, and you don't really have to change your lifestyle in any meaningful way. All you'll need is be a club account, which is free and really quite easy to set up. And this is just about making the spending that you already do work harder for you in order for you to benefit from the Avios scheme. Which leads me on very nicely to earning strategy number 1, which is credit cards. Now, for most people in the UK, the biggest source of Avios, as I've said, isn't flying, it's actually credit cards. And the main ones that people start with are generally the American Express British Airways cards or the Avios earning Barclays MasterCards. And I won't go into too much detail here on each of those cards, as there are paid and free versions, but what I will do is link in the description below to these videos, which you can go through and get more information should you wish to do so. And the very simple way which people earn with credit cards, of course, is through their everyday spend, whether that be food shopping, fuel, subscriptions, holidays, which all allow you to earn Avios automatically. You don't even have to think about it. It just happens and they start to accrue month by month. And the important thing to know isn't exactly which card you choose, it's actually this. If you're not earning Avios on your everyday spending, then you're really missing the easiest points available. And I like to think of the credit cards as the base layer or the foundation, if you will, and everything else essentially stacks on top of it. And what I'll also do, I'll leave my referral link in both of the videos that I've suggested that you watch and this one in the description below. And what that means is if you do use my referral link and you are accepted for the card and you meet the minimum spend requirements in the first 3 months, you will get a nice juicy chunk of Avios as a bonus. And I'll get a little bonus too. Now, there are a limited amount of referrals that can be made, so it's a first come, first serve kind of thing. Now, earning strategy number 2 is actually where a lot of beginners miss out, I think, and that is the Avios shopping portal. And this works in very much the same way as sites like Top Cashback, for instance. And to be honest with you, I'm going to utilize this a lot more this year. So essentially, the way it works is instead of going direct to a retailer's website, you click through the Avios portal first. It's the same product, it's the same price. The only difference is when you do buy it, you earn Avios on top. And what we'll do, I'll just show you that this actually isn't just theory. Now, what you're looking at now is my actual Avios shopping portal account. And you can see that here, just by clicking through the portal before buying things I was already going to buy anyway, I've earned a good amount of Avios in the process. And the great thing is this isn't luxury spending either. It's just normal online shopping. It's retail purchases, household items, everyday brands, insurance, etc., etc. And the key thing to understand is that these Avios that I earn are on top of what I earned by using my credit cards for the same transaction. And what you'll also find is that there are often times where the amount of Avios that you can earn through the portal is actually boosted. Like at Christmas, for instance, where there was an offer of a 50% bonus when using the portal, which you can see here, which, to be honest with you, I could have earned far more from. Now, one thing I will mention about the portal is before you actually click through to make your purchase, just make sure that you read the what you need to know section, as there are occasions where the Avios will only be awarded in a certain way. For instance, if you buy something from the Currys website, Avios is only awarded on home delivery purchases only. So sometimes there are caveats that you need to be aware of. Now, number 3 is another easy win, and that is Nectar points. And again, I'll put my screen up so you can see this properly. Now, what I've done here is set up an auto conversion by linking my Nectar account to my BA Club account. And the important thing to understand is that 400 Nectar points convert to 250 Avios. And you can see the conversions that I've had during the year, and this all comes again from just completely normal spending, mainly supermarket shopping at Sainsbury's, but you can also earn from fuel, Argos and eBay as well, who are all Nectar partners. And still, no flights involved at all. And once you link your BA Club account to your Nectar account, the easiest thing to do is just set up an auto conversion, and then the Avios that you've earned transfer every month automatically into your BA account, as long as you've got 400 Nectar points or more. Now, this is what I earned during the last year, and bearing in mind we actually only shopped at Sainsbury's for about 6 months of the year. And taking into account that 400 Nectar points converts into 250 Avios, I don't think we did too bad. Not massive amounts, but it's just really easy to administer. And in fact, if you look at this here, the points that we've earned have already got us a quarter of the way to a short haul economy flight. And if you already collect Nectar anyway and don't convert it, you're actually probably sitting on a decent chunk of Avios. Which then leads me on to earning strategy number 4, which is of course taking flights. And this is probably the one method that everybody thinks of first, actually flying with British Airways or one of its One World partner airlines. Now, when you take a flight with BA and enter your BA club number, you earn Avios based on how much you spend on that specific flight, which doesn't include the taxes and fees. And if you join the BA club, you'll see that it is segmented into 4 tiers. That's blue, bronze, silver and gold. Blue members typically earn 6 Avios per pound spent on the fare, where higher status levels earn more, up to 9 Avios per pound for gold members. So for example, if you buy a return flight to a European city for £200, for example, before taxes and fees, you could earn roughly 1,200 Avios just from that flight alone. And that's before any bonus you might get with status. It's worth noting also that you can earn Avios on cabin upgrades, pre-booked seats, and additional baggage as well. And if you fly with one of BA's partner airlines like American Airlines, Qatar Airways or Iberia, those flights can also earn Avios when you credit them to your British Airways club account. So you're not just limited to flying BA, and this is something that I go over in the first video. So there you go, 4 of the easiest ways to earn Avios as a beginner, with actual flying being the last one on the list. Now, I do hope this helped in showing you how easy it can be to earn Avios without probably some of the complexities that you may think there is. But earning Avios is only half the story. In the next and final video in this series, I'm going to show you what Avios are actually good for, how to use them for flights, how to use them for upgrades, and where people often waste them without realizing. Now, I will try and keep it as beginner friendly and realistic as possible. No loopholes, no first class hype, just what you may want to use them for as a beginner. Then as you get more into it, use it as a foundation to build bigger and better trips later on down the line. And if you don't want to miss that one, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in part 3. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you then. See you later.